First we'll take a plate, then we'll take a sieve plate, and now we will take 1 cup of maida. After that we'll take 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. Take sugar and then grind it in mixer. You will get this powdered sugar. If you do not have measuring cups, you can use one bowl only for all the measurements. Now I am taking 1 tablespoon of baking powder and half tablespoon of baking soda. Here I am using cocoa powder. I have taken 3 spoons of cocoa powder. Now we'll mix all these ingredients well. And now we will sieve it. Now transfer all these ingredients into another bowl. I am taking the help of whisker to mix all these ingredients. You can also use any spoon. Now we will put 1/4 cup of refined oil. And now I have taken 1 cup of milk. We will put the milk slowly and gradually so that we can get the idea of the consistency we need. This type of consistency we need. Now here I have taken half spoon of vanilla essence. It's optional. If you have, you can put it. Now we will mix it. Now we will keep it aside and we will take a chopper. Here I have taken raisins and almonds. Now we will chop it. As we are making Christmas cake and Christmas cake is incomplete without these dry fruits. Now we'll put it in our mixture and we'll mix it. Now I have taken vinegar. This is about half spoon of vinegar. This will make our cake soft and spongy. Now I have taken these glasses and greased it with oil. Now we'll put our mixture in this. Note one thing, that you do not have to put the mixture full of the glass. You have to put the mixture this much that if the cake expands, means the cake will expand, so it do not come out. Now I am garnishing it with raisins and almonds. Preheat the utensil which you are using for 10 minutes. Now I have kept both the glass in my utensil. I have put salt in the bottom of the utensil, and note that we cannot decide a fixed time in which a cake is baked, so we will bake it for approximately 30 minutes. But when the 30 minutes will be finished, we will check that the cake is baked or not by putting a knife inside it or toothpick. If knife is clear and clear coming out, means the cake is baked completely. So my cake is ready. I have taken out from that utensil. Now we'll demold it. just have to put a little bit of this knife inside it in the corners like this, and then you have to tap it. Look, now we demold the next this cake. So our super soft cake is ready. Now if you want, you can make it in slices if you want to eat slice cake, or you can eat it like this also. So we have made it. Thank you and bye.